Bang, let it shoot. Hit a stain while I'm laying at the coop.
Today I have another video for you, and it is about the Ultra Boost 4.0. Some of you may have thought this was an Ultra Boost 1.0 given the pattern on the toe box ring. It is actually a 4.0, and the reason why these are different from the 1.0 is because it still incorporates a new pattern on the toe box area that runs all the way to the back. And then it also has a 1.0 pattern. Actually, it's not exactly like the 1.0, but it is similar to the 1.0. I think these are way better than the 3.0s and 2.0s, and they also added the new pattern. You got the standard Ultra Boost branding in silver font. It's a metallic silver. It's actually shiny. You can actually see the reflection. The price, it did get jacked up. It's still the 3.0 price, not like the 2.0 price. So it is quite expensive in my opinion. And looking at the back, you got the standard pull tabs. I actually do use the pull tabs to put them laced like this. Having the pull tab there, you could just slide your foot on without having to untie the shoe. And then on the outsole, instead of having triple white colorway with the outsole being white, like the 3.0 triple white model, got a black Continental rubber outsole. And I feel like this is way better than 3.0s because white does get dirty. It's gonna look really yellow and dirty. Those of you who don't know, YouTubers always mention Continental. That Continental makes tires and they use high quality rubber and their tires are quite expensive. The rubber on this will last you longer than a normal outsole. Like the 1.0s didn't have a Continental outsole. Extremely dope. I'm glad they kept the Continental outsole on there and also made it black because Adidas is honestly just stepping up their game and they're actually listening. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.